Here is how to buy IPO shares using the Afrivestor app. So what you have to do is launch your Afrivestor app and enter your login details to access your dashboard. So make sure your wallet is funded. So what you have to do is to check your wallet if it is funded. But if it is not, you tap on fund wallet. Yeah, I fund the wallet, whichever way you want to. So after you have funded the wallet, you come back to the home page and you click on invest. So after clicking on invest, you click on Nigerian stocks or any stock that you want. So you have to scroll by till you get to public offer. So presently there are no active public offers here. So in case there is any, you browse and you click on the specific IPO company you want to invest in. You enter the total number of shares or total amount you want to buy, making sure it meets the minimum unit requirements. So carefully, you need to review your order summary, the terms and the payments total. So tap confirm or you confirm your order and enter your transaction pin to complete the application. Once submitted, the order will be processed and your allotment will reflect in your portfolio once the IPO concludes. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.